Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here with week 3 of our Sunshine and Rainbows collaboration that I have been asked to join. Her name, is Mariann from Mariann's Crafty Corner here on YouTube. She is co-hosting it with Maria Reyes here on YouTube. I'll have their link to their YouTube channels in my description box below so you can go check these wonderful ladies out. Thank you so much for inviting me. I'll also have a list of the other participants in our collaboration so you can go check them out and see what kinds of inspirations they're sharing and that you can feed off of. So this is a failed project for me. Our week 3 we were supposed to make a rainbow rope project and I don't have rope, so I'm trying to use yarn. This is actually the only yarnish type of material I have, was the glittery yarn from the Dollar Tree. And so I took a few strands and braided it and I just attached it to a base. I don't like how it came out. So I pity my swap partner, but girl, don't worry, I'm gonna hook you up in other places, believe. So this is how it came out. And week 3 is the rainbow rope project. Please go check out the other ladies so you can very much get inspired, because I think I fell short this week. Yeah. So I hope you guys are having a crafty day. Like I said, the other ladies and participants will be in my description box below so you can go check their YouTube channels out and follow along on this collaboration. We have one more week. Stay tuned. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas.